First, Domino Marketing helps B2B tech and professional services teams get clear on what they sell, why it matters, and what to do next. We typically help in 4 areas: fractional CMO support, positioning and messaging, market and category strategy, and go-to-market planning and execution. Fractional CMO support gives teams senior marketing judgment without the full-time overhead. I help set priorities, make decisions, and keep the work moving when the story, the plan, and the execution are not fully lined up. Positioning and messaging work helps teams explain what they sell, who it is for, and why it matters in language buyers and sales can actually use. Market and category strategy looks at how buyers compare options, where the category is crowded, and what your team can credibly own in the market. Go-to-market planning and execution turns the story into a practical plan teams can actually run, with clearer priorities, stronger sequencing, and usable next steps. Recent work includes helping a California self-insurance group sharpen its market story and helping a healthcare communications company clarify trust and growth messaging. Other recent work includes helping a data and market research firm shift from technical process language to business value, and helping an IT services company sharpen its position and sales story. The work can start as a defined project, a short sprint, or ongoing support. If you already know the problem, I can usually point you to the right starting place quickly. And if you're still sorting it out, that's fine. Figuring out where to begin is part of the work.